BJP seems to be divided over hunting post-poll allies to form the government at the centre. So much so that two of Narendra Modi's closest aides are now taking divergent views on tying up with potential allies. And the outbursts from Mamata Banerjee and Mayawati have made it much more difficult for the BJP.
Two close aides of BJP's Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Two different voices on post-poll alliances. Arun Jaitley and Amit Shah contradicting one another on possible post-poll allies.
देश के विकास के एजेंडे पे जो लोग एनडीए का समर्थन करना चाहेंगे वो सभी का स्वागत है.
We are getting a very large slice of the vote which originally went to Trinamool Congress. Therefore, the effort is that all the illegal migrants who are there consolidate their vote. And for that, this unusual tirade has started against the BJP and Narendra Modi by the Trinamool Congress.
BJP speaking in two voices after both Mamata and Mayawati spurned its overtures. Mamata even going to the extent of claiming that she would have jailed Modi had she been at the centre, prompting an angry retort from BJP.
कांग्रेस का शासन चला है, वो वोट डिसोल्यूशन हुआ है और इस बार बंगाल के लोकसभा चुनाव में एक बहुत बड़ा वोट बीजेपी को मिल रहा है.
The slanging match between TMC and BJP will peak as both try to woo voters in 17 seats going to polls on Monday. And the acrimony may spell trouble for BJP if it falls short of the magic figure. Bureau Report, Headlines Today.